So it's been a quick minute or two since my last video, and recently I've been doing a few challenges for myself. C#, UI, UX, stuff like that. And my next challenge is going to be actually game development. So I thought it would be a great time to do some videos again. I want to keep this video rather short and sweet. Just talk about the engine I'm going to use, my current experience, and basically the game plan I have for learning game development. So let's pop over to the screen. So the tool I'm going to go with is Godot, basically because it's free and I am cheap. No, it's free and open source. It looks decent, you know. I was like humming and hawing between, do I go GD script route or do I use C#? I'm going to go with GD script to begin with, just to understand game logic, and probably using their own language might make things a little bit easier in the beginning. Now, in terms of experience, I have touched Godot like once, I think. I did this actually getting started 2D game. It was a while ago, can't really remember it. So basically, not really any game development experience, okay? But I am a developer, so hopefully I can kind of pick up the coding side of things relatively quickly, fingers crossed. Now, the kind of quick back of the napkin game plan I've got. So obviously there is like loads to do with game development. You've got the coding side of things. You've got the story, or the point of the game, artwork and visuals, then you've got sound design and everything. There's loads to do. Too much for one person just getting started. So really, I'm not going to look at art because I can't draw. Not really going to look at sound. Story and coding. I mean, story probably a little bit, but it's not my main focus. So I'm just going to look at coding initially. Now I've got two resources up here that I'll probably be going through to get me started. But how I learn best, and it's kind of why I really like the Odin project when I was learning web development, is I learn by doing, like creating things, and then, okay, this is broken, how do I go fix it, and like figuring things out. So that's how I learn best. But I do need like a starting point. So I've got this, I think it's an interactive website where you basically learn GD script, really like an introduction, really basic. That's what I'm hoping anyways. So I'll do that, and then I'll probably go through the getting started docs and examples for Godot. And that's going to be my foundation. Then it's just going to be a bit of a trial and error type thing. I'm going to take like elements of games. So I might do a platformer to learn a bit of physics, you know, gravity, and maybe jumping up through an obstacle but not falling back through it, you know, basic things like that. Then I might take part of a shooter and have attack and health bars, and just taking little elements, kind of extrapolating them out to get the basics of them and understanding them that way. That's kind of my game plan. Now, in terms of like, do I have a timeline? Not really. I don't want to say I'm building a game in a month, because that would be ridiculous. I will not be able to do that. But I would like to get something up. You know, like say one of those basic parts of a game. I like to get it done relatively quickly. But I'm not saying a definitive deadline. Like I must do that within 2 weeks. But it is something I want to put effort towards and time towards it. So hopefully it won't be super slow. But I think like as a basic game plan, that's kind of where I'm going. Learn the basic script, learn basic logic and game loops, and then try and pull parts of games that I like and like see how they kind of work. I don't know if I'm missing anything. I probably am. Probably missing so much. Let me know if I'm missing something really obvious in the comments. Yeah, that would be really helpful. But that's it really. I just have a basic idea of what I'm going to be doing. If you'd like to see how I get along, subscribe. That would be amazing. But other than that, I hope you all have a great day and hopefully catch you later.